In this stretch tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to passively work on your ankle dorsiflexion in a kneeling position. So firstly, all you need to do is get into what's called a 90-90 position. So a 90-90 position means a 90-degree angle at each knee. So this would be the position of 90-90. So for some people using a mat, it's going to be comfortable enough. I like to use a yoga block underneath the knee because it really means that for me, I'm in a real comfortable position with that lower leg that's in contact with the floor. From here, what I want you to do is I want you to move forwards, however, only move forward through the knee and make sure that your body doesn't move forwards as well. So keep yourself nice and upright. You're going to keep your heel of the forward leg on the floor. So in this case, my right leg. I'm then going to come forwards, keeping my torso upright. Once I feel that stretch in my Achilles or soleus, maybe for some people even high as the gastroc, you're going to come out of the position and you're going to repeat this for your desired amount of repetitions. So you might want to hold 1, 2 or 3 seconds when we come into this position and then come back to your neutral position and start position. Once you've done that, you're going to repeat that on the next side, to the side you haven't worked. And that is how to passively work your ankle dorsiflexion.